Sometimes the first result is not a number. This student uploads the wrong assignment. DraftLens detects it and say incompatible, not graded. My name is Mukid Badia. I am a CAD, CG and visualization educator, MSA University, Art and Design, Cairo, Egypt, and not a software developer. A student needs frequent practice, but every drawing creates more grading time. Each error must be found, measured, explained, and graded fairly. With GPT-5.6 and Codex, I turned this teaching problem into DraftLens EDU. The instructor uploads a reference DXF, confirms the rubric, then uploads the student file. Here one line is missing. DraftLens gives 95 out of 100 and marks the error directly on the drawing. When I select the issue, I see the rule, the deduction, and how to correct it. DraftLens recommends line with a copy as an alternative. DraftLens also avoid repeated deduction. One moved element creates two endpoint gaps. The main error is detected once. The gaps remain visible as supporting evidence with no extra deduction. The instructor control placement policy. The same complete plan scores 50 in strict mode, but 100 in translation tolerant mode. The teacher can switch to student only view and export a detailed PDF report. GPT 5.6 helped me convert classroom experience into requirements, fairness rules, edge case, and product decision. It also helped me recognize when the first architecture was wrong. Codex implemented and tested the geometry pipeline, scoring, compatibility check, and PDF reporting. The final release passes 304 automated tests with 0 failures. I expected AI to help me write a code. Instead, it helped me turn years of professional experience into tested system. DraftLens does not replace the teacher. It makes mistakes visible, grade explainable, and the next attempt better. This is the first step toward a large learning system where assessment improves the next assignment and teaching process.